Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland, and some more uptown gardening. I thought about it, and I didn't know what playlist to put this in. I think we're going to have to go with penny pinchers because I think we're going to save a lot of money this year with this garden. But, let's talk about what we got going on here. There's more over there. We'll have to get over there in a little bit. Let's turn around before I lose my train of thought because there's quite a few of vegetables to mention here. All right, here's the cucumbers. Yeah, we got two cucumbers right here. There's the other one. All right, and then we got some big boy tomatoes. Already got blossoms coming on there. We have four of them. And then we got the bell peppers. We have quite a different little collection here. I've still got the signs here. Let's see what this one says. It's gonna be hard for me to. Oh no! Oh, that's gonna be a sweet pepper. I think this is too. It's like a cubanelle or cubanelle. This one's supposed to be hot. Right here, I can't remember. Oh, just says a hot pepper variety. And this is another sweet bell pepper. But then behind it, I didn't have a whole lot of luck with Dollar Tree seed and onions back here. So that's that's summer squash. So we got two summer squash right there. And then here's the zucchini, I believe. Yeah, we got two zucchini plants. Up here we've got some endamame. And then this boy, we're just going to let this one sprawl here. Shaggles can keep an eye on everything. That's going to be some cantaloupe. I don't care if it spreads all the way over to the deck. I really don't. That's a daylily there. That should start blooming here in just, maybe a month or so. Back here, we've got gourds growing. Up there's some winter pansies that we transplanted over here. We're going to see if we can keep them alive and get a second season out of them. We're doing everything we can with them, keeping them in the shade and cool. Over here, this is the sorghum, second year volunteer. How cool is that? Yeah, and sorghum is a natural bird feed. And so that's how they became a volunteer garden here in North Ocean City. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody. Yeah, so that's what's going on gardening style up here in North OC. Thanks for watching. Take care.